ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತರ್ಜಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿ
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com.
Araplast 2030. Our purpose of meeting you was to tell you about Araplast, the growth of Araplast, and the existence of Araplast. Araplast is organized by Al-Fajr Information Services, which is an offshoot of Al-Fajr Enterprises, a company owned by His Highness Sheikh Khashar Al Maktoum, the scion of the royal family. Araplast is into 11th edition, which is happening for the past 22 years. This Araplast 2013 will have over 900 exhibitors spread on an area of over 80,000 square meters. There are 43 countries participating in this show, and there are going to be visitors from 107 countries. This is happening for the first time.
Dubai between the 7th and 10th of January 2013. There are several firsts as far as our Plastics Export Promotion Council, or Plex Council as it is called, is concerned. We are going to have the largest Indian participation of about 100 participants. It is being supported by the Department of Commerce, Government of India under the Market Access Initiative, and we are alliance partner of Al-Fajr for organizing the Indian Pavilion and the Indian participation at Al-Fajr this time. We are not only targeting the market in the United Arab Emirates, which happens to be among the top 3 trading partners, but we are looking at the entire Middle East and the African region. The entire Middle East offers us a potential of about $30 billion US, and the African region about 16 billion. And in both these regions, our share is about 3%. And our ultimate aim is to increase our share to more than 5% in at least the next 2 to 3 years through events like the Araplast and the other export promotion programs that we are undertaking in the Middle East and under the Focus Africa initiative of the Government of India. Because I think people are getting more exposure to exports, and people would like to grow. And the Araplast, since it is in Dubai, attracting the entire Middle East into this, and there is a large Indian population, our chances of getting orders from this region is very high. We are more into intermediate products like master batches. There is a wide range of machinery, there is a wide range of finished goods, and there is a wide range of packaging items that are being displayed.
What would